Hello everyone, it's John again from immoviewer 360, and today I'm going to show you guys how to delete photos or delete rooms. So here's how to do it. So from your dashboard, all you got to do is just edit the tour you wish where the photo is located. So in this case, let's edit the second tour and wait for the editor to load up. As soon as the editor is loaded up, you want to make sure that you find the photo you wish to delete by clicking on the photo picker at the bottom center of your screen. So normally it should be on the bottom center, just like this. And let's find that photo. Oh, looks like we have duplicate photos here. So what we want to do is we want to click on the red button with a trash icon to remove the photo. There you go. Again, let's click on that because this is a duplicate. Pop-up window should appear telling you, warning you that you really want to remove this room. All settings and image of the room will be deleted, and it will be completely erased from the cloud. So you want to make sure that you also keep backups just in case. All right. In this case, we already have one copy of the pool area. So that's what we want to keep on our list here. So guys, that's how you delete photos using the immoviewer editor. Should you guys have any questions, comments, suggestions, send us an email at help@immoviewer.us or chat with us at immoviewer.com. Thanks and have an immoviewer day. Bye-bye.